In this video, we'll take a look at Floor View, a new feature in ACS 3.0 designed to display equipment for specific areas in a facility. Floor View allows users to make custom groupings of equipment, so that an overview can be displayed on screens on the floor of a facility and contain only relevant equipment. Navigation. ACS users with the Floor View permission can find the link in the main menu. Creating a group. To create an equipment group, click the New Group button at the top of the page. Give the group a name by typing in the group name field. Then select equipment by using the checkboxes in the table. You can also search for equipment by typing in the filter field. When you are done selecting the equipment for the group, click the Save button to create it. It will then be displayed as a drop-down menu containing the list of added equipment. Editing a group. To edit an equipment group, find it in the list, click on it to open its drop-down, and click the Edit button. This will open a screen similar to the group creation screen, with the currently assigned equipment already selected. Use the table to edit the list as desired, and click the Save button. You can also delete the group by clicking the Trash Can button. Launching Floor View. Once an equipment group is created, you are ready to launch its Floor View. Open the group's drop-down and click the Launch Floor View button. The display will look similar to the equipment dashboard, showing the status of each equipment as well as the due status of certifications for the equipment. The Hide Images toggle can be used to condense the equipment cards to help fit more on screen. To exit Floor View, click the Exit Floor Mode button in the top right of the screen. This will log the current user out of ACS in order to prevent different users from taking control of the logged-in account.